Hi, good morning everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. So in this video, I'm going to share with you about one website which I come to know about the resume preparation. So you can choose different templates and generate for free, and maybe there could be any kind of subscription for if you need any new templates or different kind of templates. Maybe if they get any kind of form, like then you can go through, and if you feel what you can go for that. But whatever I observed, you will find a lot of free templates. So that the website name is enhancecv.com. Okay, so once you come here, you can go for a create cv or a create resume. So the format was little bit different since they have given. Okay, there are templates also you can see. For example, let's go with create resume. Then you go for this one. So here, then you click on create. Let me spotlight. Okay, once you click on create resume, so you will find the different kind of templates. Okay, so they recommended few templates, and you can choose the colors also. Which color do you want and all. Okay, so max, in my experience, I see this blue. I generally see more. Okay, the gray, but yeah, this blue I see more because we do frequent recruitment and see the profiles, right? You can also google for what is the best color and all. So yeah, I think I see most of the cases the blue color. They have given a few more templates also. Okay, you can choose whatever template is good if you like it. Okay, so for example, if you select one template, then choose template, then you can choose create new resume. So already resume kind of things you can take it, but let's go with a create new resume. Then go for create new resume. So here, once you come there, you can provide your information. So your name and first name, surname, postal code, whatever details you can give it. And later you have to provide your work history, upload photo. So you can see here in the right hand side, right? So you can see in the left hand side, heading, work history, then education, skills, summary, finalize. After you have given every details, it will generate a resume for you. Okay. So at high level, you can see this one. Okay. So somewhat you will get a profile like this. What is your work history? Okay. So your skills, all those details. I hope you can utilize this website to prepare your resume, whatever format you like it. But one suggestion I wanted to give, when you go for work history and you give the role as a SAP MM consultant, a WM consultant, or S4HANA procurement consultant, then their automated system will suggest you certain kind of roles. Please don't blindly copy those roles and responsibilities to your project. And you can read it. If it is worth, you can take it and you can make it little modifications based on your experience. They have provided, like I travel to a client place and I prepared the blueprint or anything, they have just given you as kind of a common sentences. You read it. Every point, whatever you mention in your profile, it must be known to you, and you should have a command, you have done it, or you are able to explain in your interview. So read every point, whatever you mention. So don't just copy. They will give like I'm highly skilled or I'm a motivator, and so a lot of things they provide it and all. Just you should have a justification. You can have leadership skill. They may ask you like you mentioned that you have a leadership, and can you give any one example which made you leader? So you led in a team or you made any kind of volunteer activities or whatever. You should have every sentence you mentioned in your resume. You must have a backup to explain to them. You have given a skill. I know about data migration. Okay, what is data migration? So how do you do it? So or you have tell that I have set up interface between two systems. So then you should have an idea about what is the architecture, what data you are interfacing, whether you're sending from SAP or receiving to SAP, how, what is your middleware. So anything, whether it is a technical or whether it is an experience wise, any point if you are mentioning that one, So most of the websites now they are using this artificial intelligence. So you just get it whatever is available. Okay, but read it and mention, type on your own roles and responsibilities. These kind of websites mostly you can utilize to get kind of these kind of a beautification or the look, and this kind of see the skills, work history, how they are providing that you can utilize it. But inside every point, I prefer or I recommend you to type on your own, or I can suggest you to have a good understanding about each point. I hope this website will give you a good insight, and it will save you a lot of time to have a template searching and all. And if I find any other website for resume preparation, definitely I will come to you. For now, this is the website you can utilize, and spend some 10-15 minutes or 20 minutes of your time to give all the information, so that they will generate you a good resume, and utilize this resume for all of your uh, job searches and all. And also they are maintaining these sites, also preparing the good tracking system related things. I hope these templates are well accepted by the new recruiters and all. Even I also check with 3 to 4 of my recruiters, like whoever I know. So how are the templates and all? They also said like, yes, yes, it's good, you can suggest, or you can recommend to your followers. So that's it for today. And thanks for your time. If you came to our channel for the first time, click on subscribe button. If you have any kind of these kind of ideas or any kind of inputs for me, which will be helpful to all of our YouTube subscribers and viewers, definitely you can put it in comment. I will analyze that website. I will analyze that requirement, and definitely I will do for you whatever is useful for all the members to grow and to learn, to help others. Definitely I will do my best. Thanks again, and we meet with some other special video. Thank you.